Hey everyone, welcome back to MEWP Engineering. Today we're breaking down the ignition/start module, a crucial part of MEWP machines. This small but powerful module is responsible for starting the engine and monitoring key safety indicators using LEDs. When the key switch is off, the module gets 12V from the battery, but no LEDs are on. Once you turn the key on, Terminal 7 gets power, and LED 7 lights up. Pressing the engine start switch sends 12V to Terminal 3. This lights up LED 3 and activates two outputs, Terminal 1 for the start relay and Terminal 9 for the fuel coil. The engine starts. Once the engine runs, an RPM signal is generated from the alternator to Terminal 2. This lights up LED 2, confirming engine activity. If the engine temperature goes beyond the safe limit or the oil pressure drops too low, the safety switch closes and shorts the 12V from Terminal 10. This cuts power to the engine, causing it to stop. LED 10 lights up to indicate a fault, while LED 2 and 9 turn off since the engine is no longer running. Activating the auxiliary switch sends power to Terminal 4, lighting up LED 4. This also stops the engine by cutting the power at Terminal 9. During smooth engine operation, multiple LEDs remain on: LED 7 for key switch power, LED 9 for the fuel coil, and LED 2 for RPM feedback. These confirm everything is working perfectly. That's how the Genie Ignition module works. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more technical breakdowns.